What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. As you guys may have seen on our channel, we are getting deep into HiFi 2 channel and have created our very own Dreamedia listening room. Now today, we're gonna talk about our top pick for a quality cable manufacturer. Today, I'm proud to announce Viablue, and I'm gonna be bringing our National Sales Director, Kellen on to give you a rundown of all the variants and different options that are available with Viablue, as well as our own personal experience. We have a lot of their components in use currently and have absolutely fallen in love with this cable manufacturer. If you would like to purchase anything home theater or 2-channel hi-fi, reach out today for a free video consultation or head over to our website at dreamediaav.com. We do ship nationwide and would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, guys, let's check out these killer cables.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is Kellen with Dreamedia talking about the Viablue cables. So for more than 20 years, Viablue stands for first-class listening experiences made out of Germany. They guaranteed maximum precision, innovative technology, state-of-the-art production methods, and exclusive materials. Since 2001, they exhibit high-quality standards and outstanding functionality. Their handmade cables are silver strands, patented full metal connector housings, and their patented and trademarked Viablue air technology with ultra grip coating find praises worldwide in the hi-fi industry. And you can see some of that heritage and lineage with their products. Starting off here, we have some subwoofer cables. I mean, just look at the box presentation and branding, definitely on point. The just absolute high quality materials. I mean, super heavy industrial, nice fit and finishes on all their connections. These are bananas built into, and this is technically their entry-level speaker cable. Fairly inexpensive in the grand scheme of things compared to a multitude of other brands. That's not what this video is about. You know, not going to bash any other cable brands. What they want to sell at that price is up to them ultimately. Whenever I met Anka at the Tampa Audio Show, was really impressed with the level of quality of their marketing materials, their packaging, and overall the sound, fit and finish, and overall quality of their products. Anka was very helpful and insightful, letting us know that, you know, they're a small brand as well. They're a family-owned brand. Her brother started it. She's kind of the face and helps with a lot of the marketing, but super happy to have them and offer their products to our customers. We do have a lot of this stuff online through our store, so if you guys are already sold and you want to pick up some of their speaker cables, their connectors, I mean, even these little isolator pucks, they're UFOs. I mean, these are little and something small enough to where, you know, they're inexpensive. They definitely serve a purpose, make a difference in performance. We'll keep digging into what we have in front of us here. So this is their entry-level speaker cable, and those are 6-footers with bananas. You can also get spades as well on each side. We have another iteration of the UFOs. These are the UFO XLs, larger than the standard UFOs. We actually have these underneath the RBH speakers right now. So already using this stuff. We have 2 different levels with power cables, XLRs. There's 3 levels with that incorporate their patented air technology. And then you can see connected to the source points behind us there, we have the Rocket XL cable lifters, serving a purpose to isolate it from the floor, but actually holding the weight of that cable too to put less stress on the binding posts on the back of the speaker, because they are not light. It's about as thick as my wrist, that cable back there. So not a snake behind me, it's just the speaker cable. The jacketing of these, this can be custom. This is their stone or cobra as they call it. Very classy. It's got tan and grays mixed with the black jacketing, but I mean, just super high quality. Very impressive of what these guys are doing, and we're extremely excited to be offering this nationwide.
All right, Dreamedia family, that is a wrap on our Viablue video showing off this quality cable manufacturer. Keep in mind, we have a lot of variants with Viablue and can even do custom cables to really bring your HiFi 2-channel gear on display and make a beautiful statement. I've fallen in love with these cables and I know Kellen has too. And if you guys are interested in learning more, reach out today and schedule a free video consultation. We do more than just sell AV equipment here at Dreamedia. We like to hand curate packages specific to your room, your speakers, your gear. That way you get the best experience. And keep in mind, Dreamedia does ship nationwide and we have preferred installers in over 28 different states. If you like this video, guys, give us a big thumbs up and be sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.